Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Facebook's only Adobe Photoshop Elements Independent Tutorials group, and let's jump right in. With this particular photo here, if I right clicked, I couldn't do too much here. It's not highlighted because the picture is locked. So make sure you choose that layer, and you see this little lock over here, left click, and that unlocks it, and that allows me to finally move it around anywhere I want. So now to change the colors, I'm going to um, unsee the layer of the text, and now I'm going to grab my magic tool, and let's choose, I don't know, 50 tolerance, and I'm going to click here in the blue. That should choose the blue, and if I hit delete, it will delete everything within that color. Now I have the photo on its own, and I could resave this. Go to File, Save As, and then right over here, Save Type, go down to PNG, and then just rename this to PNG, and I hit Save. And that's all there is to it. That's it for this tutorial. Rich calling it quits, saying over and out.